Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the project documents. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management. And if you are a student of PMP and you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this is a very important topic, and you will see this topic in the exam of PMP as well. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Project documents. Friend, as a project manager, when you are managing projects, so you have to deal, or you have to make several or multiple documents to manage a project. Sometimes these documents made by project manager, and sometimes these documents are given to the project manager. So what are those documents which are project documents and which are pertaining to project? So we shall discuss today in the meeting, in this session, about those documents which are called as project documents. If you just see this term project documents, that means these are the documents which are related to projects. So what are those documents? First of all, the project business case. Project business case document means, now generally it is called as BRD as well, business requirement document as well. So this is the document which basically gives you the justification. It describes the objective and goal of a project, that why you are initiating the project and what are the desired outcome, what are the desired objective or goal or aim of an organization to initiate a project. Okay, so that is called as the project business case. Then the another document is project charter. Project charter means that it is the document which authorizes a project manager. It describes the scope of work, the deliverables, requirements, the timelines, the budget, resources, the objectives, the assumption, risk, and the acceptance criteria, and the approvals as well. So basically it's a one page or two page document in which all these sort of things are described at a very high level, and the purpose of this document is to just authorize the project manager to initiate a project. That is called as project charter. Then project communication plan. This is a very important document. It describes the stakeholders of the project, and it describes the hierarchy of the organization through which they communicate with each other. That means that who will communicate to whom. For example, the CEO of the company from vendor side will talk to the CEO of the customer side. The functional manager of the vendor side will talk to the functional manager of the customer side. Project manager from the vendor side will talk to the vendor of the project manager of the customer side. So this is the communication hierarchy, and all the phone email addresses, phones, the WhatsApp numbers, so it will be exchanged through the communication management plan. Then change request management. Change request management means, friend, that if there is any change in the scope of the project, how will you manage it? What will be the criteria? Like for example, if there is any change from the scope document and there is any new requirement, so how will you manage it, how you will handle it? So the all the criteria, the approach of managing the changes will be mentioned in the change request management plan. Then the another document is project schedule. Project schedule means that it is the document normally made in the MS project, or generally made in the project server as well. So the purpose of making the project schedule document means that it describes the activities, it describes the duration, start date, end date of the task, also the who will be assigned on that particular task, when we are initiating the project, when we are finishing the project, what are the deliverables, what are the timelines, starting date, ending date. So all the schedule will be mentioned in the project schedule document. Normally we use in MS project for that purpose. Then another very important document called as lesson learned document. When the lesson learned document, it is a very important document, and normally we make this document at the end of the project. That means, friend, when we are ending the project or we are closing the project, so we make this document. The purpose of this document is to describe anything which goes wrong, which goes well. We have to mention it properly in this document. Main objective of this document is that whatever went wrong, so we can have to learn from it, and we can avoid those mistakes in our future projects as well. And if anything goes well, like it goes very well, so we can learn from it, and we have to repeat those things in the future projects as well. So main objective is that we have to learn from our mistakes so that we can avoid those mistakes in the future projects as well. So lesson learned document, this is the lesson learned document. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.